Welcome to the Digital Tourism Show, episode 272. And in this 5-minute workshop, I want you to add your top selling products to your Facebook business page. With more and more consumers finding products and platforms other than your website, it's becoming more important than ever to show your experiences in a place where your customers hang out. This is no different to social media, but what is most important is that most operators that I chat to don't realise is that you can add your experiences to a Facebook business page and Instagram account. With this 5-minute workshop, I want you to follow the guide that I have provided in the link in the show notes on how to add your own products to these social media giants. Now, by adding your products to your Facebook business page or Instagram account, this does not mean that they become another booking platform for your business. This is not something that they have available quite yet, but when a consumer clicks on one of these products, they are then taken to your product page on your website to find out more information and potentially complete the direct booking. Now, if you are an operator within the US, you can actually use Facebook to accept payments over the platform, but you do need to connect to one of their preferred partners, like Shopify, for example. The only downside is that won't connect with your current REST tech, so it won't affect your availability calendars. Now, if you only have a handful of activities, within the guide I provided, I will show you how to add these individually. But if you have a large number of them, I will also show you how to bulk upload all your products at once. We will break this down into 5-minute tasks that you can conduct and complete within the next 1 to 7 days, again depending on how many tours and activities that you wish to add. For me, this is a no-brainer, and it's giving you the opportunity to promote your tours and activities and whatever other tourism-focused products that you have absolutely free.